4-9, bar graphs and dot plots. Our objective, I will be able to solve problems using data represented in bar graphs and dot plots. Here we have a bar graph. The bar graph shows grades students earned on a quiz. What fraction of the total number of students earned an A? Express in simplest form. So the first thing we need to do is total up how many students actually took this quiz. So if we look here in the first bar, we have A, which is 8 students. So now we will add that to the next bar, B, which is 10 students. Then C, 6 students. D, 3 students. F, another 3 students. So we have a total of 30 students who took this quiz. Now we're going to set up our fraction. So we have the part over the total. So a part in this case is the total number of students earned an A. So let's look here again. The bar in the A is 8 students. So 8 over the total, which is 30. Now our last step here is to express in simplest form. Now both of these are even numbers, so I know I can divide each of these by 2. That gives me 4/15. Now, neither one of these numbers has a common factor between the two. So 4/15 is my answer. Moving on to dot plots. So the dot plot shows the number of hours Stan worked each week for the last 3 months. What fraction of the total number of weeks did Stan work 15 or more hours? Express in simplest form. So if we look at the dot plot here, the first thing we need to do again is total up how many dots we have here. This will tell us how many weeks he worked in the last 3 months. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 total weeks he's worked in the past 3 months. Now, again, we need to set up a fraction. So we have our part over our total. Our part in this case is going to be the weeks he worked 15 or more hours. So let's go to 15. He's got 1, 2, 3, plus 1 here because 16 is greater than 15. So 4, and then 18, 5. So 5 weeks he's worked 15 or more hours. So 5 over 12. Now, can we simplify this fraction? And the answer is no. This is in its simplest form. They do not share common factors outside of 1. So your answer for this problem is 5/12.